Whether you're hard of hearing or just want to watch the TV with the sound off, closed captioning is a convenient feature that helps you enjoy a variety of programming. Closed captioning is an optional service provided for select programs that puts text for the dialogue and certain other information on the screen. The signal is included with the movie or TV show and needs to be decoded in order to be displayed. If you use a cable or satellite set-top box, this decoding is done by the box, so you'll need to turn this feature on in the settings menu of your particular device. If you use an over-the-air antenna or a direct cable connection without a cable box, the television will be decoding the closed captioning signal. To turn on this feature on your LG Smart TV, press the Home button on your remote control, then click on the Settings icon, then Accessibility in the bottom left corner. Begin by clicking Closed Caption, then clicking On, and then Analog Mode. CC1 here, the default, is generally the closed captioning in the primary language. You'll see other options, and there might be other languages that vary depending upon the programming or broadcaster, so try these for yourself to see what else might be available. In some cases, you might need to adjust the digital mode, so just click on this bar and then select whichever option works with your digital service provider. Want to customize your closed captions even further? Click on Digital Mode options to set up the size, style, color, and more. So you see, if you need closed captions, now they're better than ever.